but it's okay, there's a mark. I don't know what that is. Let's Google lens. Hello, you. How are you today? This bag is going to be fabulous. It's a 3.5 pound Goodwill grab bag that I picked up for $52, and it's supposed to be chock full of brand name items. I'm so excited to jump in and see what we get. As we're going through, I thought what I'd do is I'd show you how I use Google Lens to identify brands that I don't recognize. I don't know all of them, so when I don't know, we have to check it out and see. I hope there's a few in the bag that we can try this out on. First, I want to thank all of my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so that we never miss a treasure hunt together. I really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get going. I gotta see what's in this bag. I'm seeing things already here. I love when they've already got a tag on them, or like these are on cards. What's that? Matter? Boomy? Interesting. Made in India, fair trade, handmade, sustainable. Interesting. Okay. It just looks like it's on a little chain. Oh, amethyst. Okay. And what's this one? Same thing, except that one is sodalite. Sodalite. Those gems are blue versus the amethyst ones. Ooh, pretty. I am hoping that like every single piece in here has a brand on it. Wouldn't that be awesome? Oh, those are so little. Look how tiny those are. Okay, this one has a tag. It has a P. I do not recognize that. We might have to Google lens. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I see here. It's a Pura Vida. Interesting. This one. Oh, those are so cute. Look at the little rhinestones. That's not super high quality, but it's okay. There's a mark. I don't know what that is. Let's Google lens. Okay, so what does Google Lens think it is? Nope, none of that. I'm trying to read and look at the little images at the same time. No, none of that. Sometimes you just have to take another picture and see. Let's try this angle. Nope. Let's see. It's thinking. Yeah, no, that is not. That is not it. None of those. Oh, I know that one right there, that rose gold. That was a Premier Designs, but no. Okay, so I don't know what that piece is. If you know that mark, let me know. We'll have to see if we can find that a different way. I usually go right to the lens though first, the Google Lens, to see if I can figure out what it is. But I thought I'd show you what I'm coming up with. I'm always talking about how sometimes you get it and it's right away, and then sometimes you don't get anything correct. And it's trying, but it doesn't always know what to do. Let's see this one. Oh, this is an Taylor Loft. It says Taylor around the outside. I've seen these many times. Not this particular necklace, but that is a lot of strands. I think that was 8 or 12 strands. Interesting. Okay. Sometimes that's all I can say about something is that it's interesting. It's like that sometimes your taste is just a little different, and that's okay. So let's see. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I'm not going to say interesting again. I'm going to say that that's pretty. I actually like that. That's like a bib necklace. And look at this chain here. So it slides. See how the pendant part isn't affixed? It slides on that kind of rope snake chain. See that? Or that's a cable. I'm not sure if that's cable or we call them snake. Oh, I don't know what this one is. Another chance to use Google Lens. Let's see what it says that it is. Let's hope it gives us it right away. So get up close, take the little picture, wait for thinking and searching to go. So gold tone necklace. Oh, right away. Erica Lyons. Isn't that fantastic? I just love that. It's helpful when it knows what it is right away. Other people have put it out there so that Google can go and search and see what it can find. Okay. Right. That is pretty. That looks like a fruit salad to me. Have to go and go to brunch. Like I always say, whenever it's those bright colors, let's go to brunch. Oh, that's a Premier Designs. Yes, I've seen that many, many, many times. It's got a little crown at the top and then a PD. Look at that. Look at that shine. Pretty. All these things being marked. It's incredible. Okay, that I don't even have to, that I know is Disney. I know that's a Mickey Mouse. I don't know why that's hooked on there wrong, but Disney. Cute little Mickey. Yeah, see how they come off? Little charm kind of things. Dangles. Nice. Put that back. That might actually be a sterling silver plated item. I'll have to look that up. Okay. Sometimes these multiple chains just kind of get all tangled on themselves. I try to open them up for you as easy as I can or as quickly as I can, or I'll skip forward so you don't have to sit through all that. What's this one say? Aeropostale? Postal? Aeropostale. I don't know that one. I'll have to look that one up. Let's flip him over though so we can see the little pendant kind of things. Oh, black. Enameled in the center. Nice. Okay. I'm going to say that's Alex and Annie right away, and it is. I seem to get quite a few of these in a grab bag. Let me win. But if I cannot, let me be brave in the attempt. Yeah, see, Alex and Annie. Okay. It's this little guy. Looks like silver plate. What's our maker's mark? Oh, XC. Now, I already know what that is. That's a Liz Claiborne, and it's Access Jewelry, AXCESS. And those are little glass, iridescent with the silver. Kind of the silver plate looks like he's kind of got wear on it. I'll try to clean that, but I think that looks like wear. And little earring that we found earlier. Hopefully we find the second one, so then we have a whole set. And oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting so excited. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeous piece. It almost looks like it has brooches all over it, doesn't it? Like big vintage brooches. Who is this? Who is this? ER? Actually, it looks like BR at this point. Maybe like a backwards B. Oh, of course, Banana Republic. There we go. Perfect examples. And see how the different marks, but it's still saying Banana Republic, so you kind of have to match it up, see if you can find it. But this is so pretty. Look how big those are. That's like my whole palm, almost, some of those. Huge statement piece. Ooh. What else we got? What else? Oh, an anchor. And if you can see, it's got a, yeah, it's got a chain that wraps around for the anchor, comes up to the top. Nice starfish. I'm kind of glancing at them too to see if they're missing any pieces. That's a beautiful shell. That definitely looks like a vintage brooch, doesn't it? And this guy, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I can't tell if it's missing any stones or not, but I will definitely try to repair it if so. Look at that cluster. Even the chain is in detail. Oh my gosh, I just love this piece. This is one of my favorite pieces now. This whole bag. I mean, oh my gosh, this bag is so much fun. I don't want to keep you, so let's pick this back up next time. Thanks again to all my current subscribers, and please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share. I really enjoy hearing from you, even if it's just to say hi. I post jewelry videos on Thursdays and Sundays, so please join me. Hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your day. Bye bye, you.